Well, good morning. We are here at Bobby's Hobbies and we are getting the big HO layout up and running. How are we doing that? Well, we've got an SD locomotive pushing a Bachmann track cleaning car. And that track cleaning car from the 70s or 80s, and it's got a tank full of alcohol and some rail zip, and it's got a nice cushion on it that is in a very mild abrasive. We also ran around the track with a nice big eraser, which is kind of an interesting thing. This is the eraser, and hadn't been running it in a while, and this eraser is kind of neat. And see, who makes this eraser? Staedtler, and the whole thing pushes out. It's a pretty big eraser, and I just run it this way across the track. Right now it's in its cardboard, but it comes out. Let's see where the locomotive is. It's got this really crazy, like almost radioactive glow in that Bachmann car. And this thing is running around this whole layout. Let's see, where is it going now? It's going through those tunnels past the scary mountain. I don't even remember where it comes out. There she is. That's N-scale up at the top. Yeah, we're going to be running locomotives every day, all different ones, to get this layout operational. This is up in the mountain pass. This is the mountainous higher level layout, which is a one-track main line, and it's being followed up by a second main line. Then there's a ramp to the lower level, which is also two-track main line. So when this is fully operational, you'll be able to run 4 independent HO trains. They could be passenger, freight, what have you. The lower level is a very generous turn and greater than 22-inch radius, and the upper level is nothing smaller or sharper than a 22-inch radius. And then there's a ramp that goes up, which is about a 1.5% grade to link the bottom with the top, and off in the distance there is a higher level N-scale, which is another thing we're going to have to get running. But let's see, where is the locomotive coming out of now? Where's she going? Yeah, there's a lot of dirty sections of track, and this thing is doing its job. Again, it's all nickel silver, because if it were the old brass copper, heavy copper, it would be very hard to clean. But this thing just wants to run and run and run. And look at that, the pressure is actually gaining some speed. It's almost pulling away from the locomotive. She won't. And I've got that back pusher, because the locomotive is it's either an Athearn Blue Box or an Atlas. I just haven't checked in a while. Might even be something different, but then again, this layout's kind of fun. There's all sorts of different things. There's farm country. There's World War II still going on, mixed with World War I. There are dinosaurs still on the layout, because the layout's all about your imagination. Uh-oh, I hear a derail. I'm going to have to get to the power source before that locomotive pushes the Plaisir off the track. Yeah, there she is. Alright, hold on. Okay, we're back. There was a slight derail, but she's back on. Let's see how she goes now. More power. I also put a little oil on the Plaisir. I think that's what it's called. Anyway, Bachmann track cleaning inspection car, and I put some nice lube on the gears, because they're exposed gears. It had this nice old, probably LaBelle, I don't know. Oh gee, it says 3-in-1 oil. That's not good. I'm gonna have to do some emergency override on that. Wash it out with some regular LaBelle oil. I don't know that the 3-in-1 will do anything bad, but we'll find out. The little container fooled me. I thought it was LaBelle. Oh, it seems derailing in the same spot. Alright, let's see what's going on. Well, I put a little extra LaBelle oil on that Placer, and it's actually sometimes speeding up faster than the diesel. I'll have to look at the diesel later and see what it is. Oh yeah, see that? She wants to go on her own now. So that little bit of lube is helping her speed up. Well, that could be dangerous though, because if she hits a stall and that big blue Conrail is coming behind her. Oh, there she goes. She stalled and the big engine hit it. There's definitely something on that track I'm going to have to investigate, because it keeps derailing in the same spot. Not good. You could hear it. Sounds like she got a flat tire, but it's not. It's just a derailed wheel. Let's see if the Placer can make it without the engine. Let's see. I wonder, can she do it by herself at this point? Is the track clean enough? Let's see where she derailed. Oh yeah, these little two wheels up front. He's got so many wheels. Let's take this off. She doesn't really want to go. It's kind of weird. Nope, didn't make it.